At first glance, the world can seem like a random collection of events, happening without rhyme or reason. But there's a deeper perspective, one that lies buried within us, often obscured by the rush of modern life and the urge to focus solely on the individual. As we struggle with this view, a sense of powerlessness can creep in, as if we are mere spectators in life's grand theatre, watching events unfold without our say. Yet, is this the full truth? By looking closer, we can see a different picture. Our world operates under timeless natural laws, invisible threads woven through the fabric of existence that govern all things, from the universe's grand design to our own lives. When we align ourselves with these laws, we find clarity where once there was confusion. Our circumstances are not random, they are the results of choices made, often out of sync with these universal principles. Failing to recognize this truth often leads to poor planning and a wavering sense of right and wrong, causing many of our modern struggles. An ideal civilization would act as a beacon of progress, elevating the collective experience of humanity. Yet, as we navigate the currents of personal ambition, the vital essence of integrity often fades into the background. Caught up in an endless race for individual success, we overlook the greater tapestry of shared prosperity, losing sight of the fact that a civilization's true legacy lies not in material wealth, but in nurturing each individual within it. Rediscovering who we are is closely tied to reigniting this spirit of personal integrity. When we embrace our interconnectedness, we can stand together as stewards of a greater purpose. In this way, we build a society that thrives on the bedrock of collective well-being, weaving our ambitions into a harmonious whole that reveals both our identity and the true identity of the world around us. In these uncertain times, many of us wonder about our purpose in life. What are we meant to accomplish in this intricate world? This question has inspired scholars, philosophers, and seekers throughout history, each adding their voices to a symphony of human understanding. While some look to the afterlife as an escape from earthly burdens, a more profound truth suggests itself. Life is not just a fleeting moment, but an eternal journey of growth and self-discovery. This perspective calls us to take responsibility for our choices, which ripple through time, leaving marks on the very fabric of reality. Life challenges us to walk a path of conscious decision-making, shaping our destinies through the crucible of self-awareness and ethical action. Through this journey, we find purpose woven into the very core of our being. The path of purification leads us far beyond physical cleanliness. It is a transformative journey through emotions, intellect and body, cultivating inner harmony. Ancient practices taught that purifying our lives through diet, physical exercise, and ethical disciplines brings us closer to the rhythm of creation. Through this, we sculpt ourselves into vessels ready to resonate with the wisdom of existence, attuning our lives to a higher order. By following these universal laws, we find a path to joy and peace. Ignorance and falsehood sow seeds of suffering, yet within us lies the capacity to transform this ignorance into wisdom and love. Humanity's future depends on those willing to correct past errors, to realign with the principles that have guided existence since time began. Across history, the quest for power and control over others has led to failure. However, true greatness lies not in dominance, but in self-mastery. Nature's laws stand firm, unbending to human ambition. Within this reality, integrity stands as the ultimate triumph, and authenticity as our guiding principle. This vision urges us to live genuinely, grounding ourselves in the eternal laws that hold the cosmos together and lead us, ultimately, toward a world where truth and harmony prevail.